In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo. By the end, you'll have HubSpot connected to Apollo so your data can flow more smoothly between the two tools. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct HubSpot portal and that you have permission to install apps. It also helps to have your Apollo login handy so you can move through the installation without interruptions. Begin in your HubSpot dashboard. Look toward the top right of the screen for the Marketplace icon. It typically looks like a small storefront or marketplace symbol. Click that icon to open the menu and choose the HubSpot Marketplace option. This takes you to HubSpot's App Marketplace, which is the central place for installing trusted integrations that connect directly to your portal. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type Apollo. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Apollo app. Selecting the right listing ensures you're getting the supported integration with the proper features and security. Click on the Apollo app to open its page. Here, you can quickly review the overview, compatibility details, and the permissions it requests. This brief check is helpful to understand what data will be shared and how the integration functions inside HubSpot. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the installation flow. You may be asked to confirm which HubSpot account to connect if you manage multiple portals. Then, you'll be prompted to log into your Apollo account. Enter your Apollo credentials securely and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. During this step, you'll typically see the permissions that Apollo needs, such as access to contacts or activities. Review and approve them to continue. If you're not an admin in either platform, you might need a colleague with the right permissions to complete this part. After you grant access, the installation completes and the integration becomes active. If the button says Open instead of Install, that means it's already connected and you can proceed to use it. From there, you can return to your HubSpot workspace and start leveraging Apollo's capabilities through the integration. If anything doesn't look right during installation, double-check that you're in the correct HubSpot portal and that pop-up blockers aren't stopping the authorization window. Also, ensure your Apollo subscription includes integration access. That's it. You click the Marketplace icon, selected the HubSpot Marketplace, found Apollo, installed it, and logged into Apollo to authorize the connection. You're ready to work smarter with both tools connected.